Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another blessing positive program on the platform called YouTube. I saw Jamaica, Yeah, man. Road boy, I'm if I tell you, they just box down some curry chicken back and little white rice, man. It a slap, man. But yo, right now we are talking about some fun things. See, yeah, man, a little sugar and water over this. Yo, Jamaica sitting this. Right now, J Progress, big up yourself. Because a long time I pray the same thing. You see me? Alright, people. Make sure you know what to do, Join the family, subscribe, and even if you tell you what to do. Big up on yourself. Now, J Progress, I keep it 1,000% right now. Right? For all of the stuff them, what we see artists cling on to and run and voice them opinions and all of these things. But yet, we still don't see one handful of artists. I say, them want to see Cartel drop back on the road. In a dancehall, right? For the music. So, listen, me want to know. Why they panicking about that whole scenario? This is the whole reason why. You see, enough of them have fake page. So, I can just imagine how much artists have some fake page. Where them just go over there and just try to sabotage Cartel, all of this thing. And enough comments on the scene, artists them are come from, Yeah, for your next episode, them are go find out the real. You see, the thing is right now, you see people them who really think talented. You see people them who really, really, really think say, I really do it. The people them who really think say, I go dominate the world. I know what you think. You see me? Them say I know always what it look like. You understand? And when enough artists are carry belly for, right? See, once people accept your virgin, Jesus. People, smash it like. Program I get nice. Yo, I'm a careers right now, bro, G. So you're telling me say a coincidence this? And when me I watch stage show, I may say artists who me not even know. All big artists when a book for sure. Right? And the whole of them a run on stage and want to say, yo, pass it, talk a phone, make me do a song. Introduce myself to the world or bust my new tune, whatever the case is, and everybody a show support this, alright? They be all become brothers right there, so in that circle at the moment. Unless a fight kick off on the stage. Right? But when we not fight for the same cause, G, we are talking about music right there, so now we're not talking about badness and no street things. We're not talking about none of that out there, so. So we talk about music right now. You know, to see them a represent and I say, yo, we could get the talent back on the front. You see me? And them man I set the pace certain way. You see me? No. Them not do that. Every time Vybz Kartel name forward and is an artist involved, them look for the craziest, darkest things them for say, for sabotage him and career and everything. You understand? You know add up together, right, G? Me and J Progress I think say when Cartel forward on the street, that them fear for him forward because the artists them were stuck in a them ways and them lazy and them just no want to do the work like the way it's supposed to be done. Things are gonna shake up for them. You understand? The man them when I really take the music serious, I figure take it serious. You understand? And who can keep up, I figure just fall off. And see Mr. G British forward and I burn out Bounty Killer, I call killer system dog. We not burn Bounty Killer still, but the fans would have love to see, the general speak out. Not to say if him speak out, it can really change the situation, but just to see some support, fans them very touchy, in this situation, And then we carry feelings, killer. Yeah, man. So Jamaica, big up on yourself. And make sure say when you smash that like there, get the content out, share the content, subscribe and like. Yeah man, I want all of my listeners them to have a positive blessing day. Ask Jaja for rain down blessings upon every listener. You understand? As well as myself. Because me I tell you say out here no nice, easy and the strong I figure survive. And not only that, we need guidance at the same time. So my people, big up on yourself. I mean now stop thanking you for the support. You see me? Every second when I take out on the time for this one of my content, me really highly appreciate it. But that's why I don't know if you know that. And then just they have enough views. You understand? Respect, honor and cherish every interaction with my content. I want to know if you know that. Believe no man. Blessings, it may I say. So we search part of voice note release. We are bridging our exposed part allowing behind Mavado losing his money and now him have a warrant out. So basically what the bridging I say is Privy Council right now expose Paula and find out say she been doing some stuff when I really needed. Basically that's what this bridging I saying that this vice note and basically when I expose I say boy the whole thing mess up Vada so much that him have him big house where him can go visit, him have him business where him can take care of them, have a lot of apartments and things like that. So it's like it's safe to say it's like with successful artists them it's like on high watch. Crazy. So what will be the outcome of this? Cause this for him I say is actually there is a case awaiting. So it must say basically that caused my father to run away. That's crazy. If you don't know about that, drop it in the comment section. Like, if you think him not talk some real things, or if you don't think are real things, that drop it as well. But that's what it is. It's crazy still, you know what I mean? If you see a person with you know what I mean? I do the thing the right way and I do it the right way. But I saw the world go. You don't know it go. But if you find out how it really go, you know what I mean? Never did know say father have a warrant, bridging. Things say father does. I live in a state, you see it. The thing is real, man. Jaja. And now, even in this case, viewers and listeners, the brother went as far as say, when them sentence my father, son, the witness change all them statement multiple times and them still went ahead and give him life. So, I know that sound like, all that sound like to you. If the witness a change him statement every time, it's a different thing, you must say. And how much thing did really happen? People, what's really going on? Can everything where we are here really go so? Or somehow we really a dream and yeah man, we probably consume food later and go sleep and have nightmares. Somehow we a nightmare we have. And I really think say, well we are here. We really are here. But one thing I want to know say, this year, we have to make it youth. That me I talk about get a youth all up on the head. When you see a beer crosses are going out here. All up on the head youth. Remember that, me I go tell you now again, hold up on your head, and me I hold up my one right now. People, big up, love, respect, blessings.